So I guess we have passed the technical challenge. I think you can hear me, you can see me. So let me just begin all over again. Thank you very much, Swapan. Thank you very much, NCN team, for giving me an opportunity to be present among yourselves, ourselves. I really wanted to be there physically present, but because of the work commitment, I couldn't do it. So my apologies. But NCN has been kind of very close to our heart, very close to me personally because of the very long association. So I could not resist myself but to come and present it to you virtually and talk to you. So without much further ado, and I know that I have a limited time, a lot to cover. Once again, welcome everyone to this NCN channel conference 2024 in Delhi, and I'm very happy to be here. You have been listening to us at NVIDIA, especially the consumer team, the team who runs the GeForce business, talking about gaming a lot. Gaming has been, our bread and butter. We have been at the forefront of it, and we have been at the center of it. And we continue to be at the center of the PC gaming revolution, which is happening worldwide. But in the last year or so, this gaming conversation has kind of changed into a different kind of a conversation. And that conversation topic is artificial intelligence, or simply saying AI basically. This AI has been creating lots of wave. So I'll just briefly give you a little background that why it is happening and what kind of role that we as a leader in AI space in the world, NVIDIA is doing on the consumer space. On the enterprise space, on the government space, you guys are all aware what NVIDIA has been doing, and this is not really the topic of today's conversation. So I'll quickly skip to what it means to us as a consumer, what it means to us as a gamer, what it means to us as a creator, what it means to us as a student and software developer, as a gaming student, and so on and so forth. So the way we explain this AI excitement is that we call it iPhone moment of AI. Like way back in 2008-9 when the first iPhone was announced, it kind of changed the way people used to consume content. It kind of changed the way people used to use mobile phones. It kind of changed the way that people used to do mobile computing. Similarly, this moment is an iPhone moment of that AI proliferation. One of the data points that we have in front of us is there on the left side of my screen basically. So these are the multiple applications that you are seeing here, and how much time it has required by each of these applications to reach 100 million downloads or 100 million users. So, you can say the Uber and Spotify, Pinterest, and even Instagram and TikTok, they all took anywhere between 9 to 70 months time basically to get to the 100 million users. ChatGPT, which is a killer application for the artificial intelligence, were able to do it in 2 months' time, and it was first launched in the month of, I think, October or November 2022. We have more than 10 million people, and it's old data, who are using Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion is an application which you input as a text and gives you an output in images and the video using AI engine. So more than 10 million people, as per the old data, use Stable Diffusion on a daily basis. So it tells you that how the consumer is consuming the AI-related content and how the AI proliferation is happening at the consumer level. And why it is happening. So, AI is not a kind of a B2B initiative. It is actually everywhere. It is there at the customer level, it is there at the consumer level. And that's why we proudly call it AI is everywhere. So if you talk about 4 different use cases, for example, if you are a creator, if you are a content creator, there are hundreds of AI-powered applications are available as of today, which can help you to create content using the power of AI without actually having a real creative hands-on experience. Now, on the left side, the image that you are watching here or seeing here is just based on some text prompt that I have entered into one of the application, saying that, cat with bright eyes and holy colors, or the colors basically during Holi. So this is the image which was generated by AI. So that is on the content creation side. We also have AI's proliferation happening on the study level, at a software development level. Now, if you're a software developer, Actually, the way it is happening is that software is writing software because of the artificial intelligence advancement. Actually, the software is writing the software. Lots of things are happening based on the prompts. You don't really have to write thousands and thousands of the lines of the software to get to do what it does and use that time and the productivity elsewhere. Third use case has been very prominent and very relevant to this topic also, the AI-powered gaming, which has been there for the longest time. As of this moment, we have more than 500 AI-powered applications which are powered by NVIDIA's RTX GPUs. So we started powering the gaming through AI way back in 2018 when we launched our first ray tracing GPUs or RTX GPUs as we know it. Back in those days, nobody was talking about it. But come to 2024, we have 500 applications, including more than 300 very popular games, which are powered by the AI engine. The deep learning super sample or the DLSS engine that we have inside our GPUs does exactly like that only. The ray tracing course inside of our GPUs actually does the same thing, wherein out of the 8 frames which are rendered while you are playing a game, 1 is only rendered and 7 is AI rendered through the AI. So it's saving lots of time, it is increasing the quality, and it is giving you a realistic, immersive experience. Now the last use case, which is AI for every day. So for example, this online connection that we are having, and I'm talking to you through this online virtual platform. If you integrate NVIDIA Broadcast, which is a free download utility, I can maintain eye contact with you without actually looking at you also. I can blur my background, I can use noise cancelling feature without having a noise cancellation having the headphone with me. So this is for everyone. And last but not the least, as we are moving into the AI PC age or the AI PC arena, where we are saying that every PC of the future will have new kind of a processing called AI PC with NPU as a processor. Yeah. Okay. I thought somebody's talking to me. So for example, we have this NPU, which is a new kind of processing, which requires a very low power. It can be always on. It can do your light AI workload. So if you have a light usage of the AI, this particular kind of a processor or this particular kind of an approach is good. But if you want to do a little bit of better AI, little bit of quality AI, little bit of premium AI, then you need to have a PC or a laptop which is powered by these processor plus RTX CPU. The moment you combine RTX CPUs with any processor, it delivers heavy AI performance, large model, always on demand. You don't have to be dependent on the cloud usage of the AI, and of course it's very fast. Not to forget the gaming benefit that you can have with this kind of a component. And for a very heavy AI usage, which is meant for the developers and the businesses and the B2B kind of an industry, there is a cloud-based AI power which is available, powered by our data center GPUs. So that's the third use case for the AIs on the window that I'm talking about from the customer point of view. This is the last slide from my side. As far as our product is concerned, ultimately I'm from NVIDIA. I manage the consumer business, so I have to talk about GeForce products basically. So very quickly from the laptop perspective, if you see that starting from our basic 40 series 4050 GPU laptop on the right side to the 4090, the highest end of the laptop GPU, you can see the AI TOPS or the AI trillion operations per second, which is a benchmark for the AI performance. It delivers more than almost 200 AI TOPS with the basic 4050 GPU to almost 686 or the 700 AI TOPS on the 4090 kind of a laptop GPU. So yes, I mean, I'll just quickly take a pause. I hope it has been useful conversation to you. Yeah, thank you very much.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.